Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Blackhole Splitter app. So let's get started. So to use it, you have to follow this easy method. So first of all, you will just open the Blackhole Splitter app, and then here uh, you can see the ad. So I will just skip it. Okay. Then here you can see the app. So here you can see the Blackhole. You can directly tap here and you can see please wait, you can see it. So by this way it will be you can use it by this way, and it's a very easy process. You have to tap it and wait for some time. My net is actually not working, that's why it's not working properly, but it will work when your internet will work. So this is how to use the Blackhole Splitter app. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.